Hello everyone, this is Karman speaking on behalf of my groupmates Rajveer, Tushar, Anshul and Mohandeep, and I am here to narrate the story. And the title of my story is Albert Einstein at School by Patrick Pringle, taken from class 11th English book Snapshot chapter number 4. About chapter Albert Einstein 1879 to 1955 is regarded as the great physicist since Newton. In the following story taken from the young Einstein, the well-known biographer Patrick Pringle describes the circumstances which led to Albert Einstein's expulsion from a German school. About the author. The name of the author is Patrick Pringle, who was born in London in 1917. About the characters. The main characters of the chapter Albert Einstein at School are Albert Einstein, Mr. Braun, Yuri, Elsa, Dr. Ernest Weil. Number 1. Albert Einstein, who is the main character of the story. Number 2. Mr. Braun, Albert Einstein's history teacher. Number 3. Yuri, Albert Einstein's friend. Number 4. Elsa, Albert Einstein's cousin. Number 5. Dr. Ernest Weil, qualified as the doctor last week. Now, let's start the story. The lesson begins with little Albert's encounter with his history teacher, where the teacher is asking him about a particular date from the past, and as usual, our unattentive Albert doesn't know the answers. This moment leads us to a little speech given by Einstein in the class about what education should include and what they are being taught is irrelevant. It ends up in him being punished by the teacher, which again is not new. Then Albert talks with Yuri about how Albert disliked his neighborhood because of all the slum violence and compared it to his best friend Yuri's neighborhood, who did not like his either. Albert even expresses his worries to his cousin Elsa from Berlin, who thinks he can pass if he made a little effort. At this point, Albert starts strategizing his way to get out of the school, and he suddenly gets an idea that involves a doctor who is willing to help him. He wanted the doctor to know that he had a nervous breakdown and prescribe that the root cause of it is school, and he shall stay as far away from it as he could. This is where Yuri agrees and sets up an appointment with his friend, a freshly qualified doctor who he warns is hard to befool. Albert thinks about his conversation with the doctor so much that at this point he is actually nervous. On meeting the doctor, he comes to know that Yuri has already told him everything and the doctor is ready to help him. The doctor understands how tiring school can be, asks Albert his plan after he gets out of the school, and realizes he is doing no good to him or anyone by staying there. Thus, he hands him his medical certificate and in turn asks him to take Yuri out for a meal. Although excited Albert had no money to spare, he took Yuri out for a supper. He is next seen with his maths teacher, who is giving him a referral to make it easier for him to get into a college for pursuing higher mathematics. Einstein had studied all the maths they teach in school and even some more. He is then summoned to the head teacher's room, where he is told to walk away as hardly any serious work can be accomplished when he is around. As tempting it was for Albert to tell the head teacher the truth and what he thought about the school, he resisted it and walked straight out of the school with his head high. He said goodbye to his only friend Yuri, and Elsa was back in Berlin by that time. At last, Albert was out of the school.